Muraiwense Dr. William Ruto litkulia lero ni gara Egeikaro hamwe n'abawaziri b'ekiwizara chansi ime enyombe nene y'oburai asobwamo abawaziri abo nigo baitiri chiko elirakonye ogokeania kubutumiki obube bw'ekibesa hanene ekero kyokobaka na abakori emeremo b'eserikali ase serikali yabere kegosiria kibesa kinyinge gokia ase ogwakana abantu abo batarikire ase ebitabo by'abakori emeremo b'eserikali egetambo kerekeiga nigo kegocha maiga ekyumbe kerigyo koringoria eng'eria y'abakori emeremo SRC wasokia oroboti rokweneke buna nigo eserikali egosiria kibesa kinyinge gokia ase abakori emeremo EMBEO.
So God has been gracious, and we continue to. I think the role we had just about 6.
Even with the challenge of
even with the challenge with transaction, $15 billion.
It's about 15.
Us being able to cross the year without carrying off shilling, not dispersed. We have dispersed everything to all the counties, all the agencies, and we can pay all our obligations, and like we did last year.
Yes.
That the World Bank has approved some time to get yourselves organized. This year, I think we agreed is moving forward in the right direction. I think we go